Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nathan. Today we are going to be covering the topic of various critiques of LLMs, or large language models. And to do this we have a couple different sources. The three we're going to use, at least mainly, are General Intelligence, Define It, Measure It, Build It by ARC Prize, Generative AI Foundations, Ev Fedorenko by MIT. And then we'll be looking at Evelina Fedorenko Neural Net Language Models as Models of Language Processing in the Human Brain from the Conference of Language Modeling. So let's just get into it. In 2025, the research and writing world of scholars is undergoing a sea change with the advent of the new generation of AI technologies. These are not just being developed to support, but to enhance virtually every stage of the research process, ranging from selecting innovative and influential areas of study to speeding up data analysis and writing articles. The long-term vision is to speed up research, make it more accessible, and make it smarter. Of these tools, some are highly specialized, targeting discrete aspects of the workflow, while others are conceived to provide end-to-end support. At the same time, the emergence of autowriters, or fully automated scholarly content services, announces a growing struggle between productivity and academic integrity, reminding us that human judgment and critical thinking are always essential. There is tremendous progress being achieved in how researchers conduct literature reviews. These tools, like Literature Rabbit and LitMaps, introduced visual methods of exploring academic interconnections. The free tool Research Rabbit is also appreciated for its ability to generate literature maps with just one click, which determines relationships between papers, authors, and research patterns. It can show the changes in publications across time and even suggest appropriate but heretofore unexplained authors. Zotero integration also makes it easy to bring in established literature. Highly featured as it is, its interface is daunting to newcomers to its use. LitMaps takes visualization one step forward with arguably the widest range of mapping features of any software, rendering it especially helpful to identify gaps within the literature. Its application is slightly restricted, however, by the constraints of its free access level. Writing continues to be the most time-consuming component of scholarly work, and there have been various tools to overcome that problem. PaperPile integrates with Microsoft Word to produce elaborate outlines and frameworks of papers within seconds. It is also a research assistant offering evidence-based content with citation suggestions and includes proofreading, paraphrasing, and Turnitin-powered plagiarism detection. Its new AI review tool even further analyzes the structure and flow of academic drafts. Jenny AI, which is not Word integrated, is also a strong contender, particularly for thesis planning. It enables users to dialogue directly with uploaded PDFs, create section-level outlines complete with bullet points and estimates of word counts, and even assist in the development of counterarguments and fluency refinement. Yomu AI joins the pack as a less cumbersome resource focused on automated writing and on-the-fly citations, though even the potential for AI-generated scholarly papers still sparks debates over novelty and ethics. Others attempt to streamline the entire process. AvidNote shines as the far-reaching areas of lesson planning and grading and working on survey development, data analysis, and finishing a full manuscript. It not only can write and edit text, but also suggests approaches, suggests suitable conferences, and greatly accelerates reading by enabling question-based interactions with PDFs. While it was awarded a silver ranking for its scope, its user interface is criticized as being unintuitive, which can suppress adoption among users who are less technology savvy. At the forefront of this is SciSpace, which takes its gold medal not just for what it can do, but for how simple its user interface is. Its defining feature is the capacity to discuss multiple documents simultaneously, merging answers from throughout a body of literature. This reading-writing hybrid makes it extremely powerful. SciSpace helps researchers write papers, identify new avenues of research, and identify gaps in literature. It can subsequently transform research articles into presentations or promotional videos to make it more convenient for academics to share their work more effectively. An embedded AI writer detector adds a bit of scholarship honor, a gesture in a day and age when AI-aided writing becomes more common practice. Besides writing and literature management, data analytic tools like Julia's AR are also transforming the way scientists deal with numbers. Designed for customers who may not necessarily be statistics masters, Julius delivers high-level analysis results and is praised for making tough data accessible. A further new feature, Consensus, aims to assist especially young researchers by taking what the world of academia predominantly agrees on with respect to a question and simplifying it for them. It includes metadata for each study, like study type and methodology, and helps to determine dominant narratives or contradictory findings, ideal for building literature reviews or locating open research questions. Other tools can be more specialized. Thesis AI has impressed many with its ability to generate coherent literature reviews from a batch of uploaded documents, although the company may be suffering operational issues. Thesify acts much like an electronic overseer, giving thesis section comments and pointing out unsupported claims. Explain Paper deciphers dense texts and offers a sophisticated user interface, though newer alternatives might now be faster. Not all submissions within this category shines equally. My Stylist and Pedal, for instance, have been found buggy or underwhelming despite good starts. In addition to these content-focused tools, Google's Gemini API and AI Studio are enabling completely new kinds of research applications by making advanced AI models available to developers. These models support multimodal inputs like text, image, audio, and video, and enable massive context windows for up to 2 million tokens. That capability makes them a good fit for examining entire code bases or big sets of documents. Developers are able to tap into features such as context caching to reduce costs or select alternative model sizes based on requirements for speed and quality. The 1.5 Flash and 1.5 Pro models cater to different use cases ranging from high-frequency operations to deep, rich analysis. AI Studio also includes built-in capabilities that improve model performance. It includes real code execution in a secure environment, formatted output construction for easy integration, and function calls for dynamic task execution. Anchoring responses in Google Search keeps outputs current and reliable, with citations added. Most importantly, users can fine-tune models in the platform that best suits performance on particular domains or datasets, improving further what AI can contribute to specialist academic writing. This capability is complemented by Google's Project IDX, an experimental development platform for full-stack programming that integrates coding and AI collaboration. Drawn from Code OSS and set up with Nix, IDX allows developers to build specialized coding environments while being provided with real-time AI support. The integration of chat-based coding support, screen-aware support, and integration of generative models makes it a powerful aid for technologically demanding research procedures. Whether it be debugging, tutoring, or walking through lines of code step by step, the site injects AI into the coding process in a very hands-on and interactive way. Together, these tools reflect a broader shift in how knowledge is produced, analyzed, and communicated. From choosing the right question to answering it with clarity and confidence, AI is no longer just an assistant. It's becoming a co-researcher. The tools of 2025 don't just save time, they elevate the quality of thought and unlock new possibilities. But amid this transformation, the value of human insight, ethics, and intellectual ownership remains more critical than ever. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all next week.